7 जुलाई को प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी मंत्रिमंडल का विस्तार हुआ, जिसमें 43 नए मंत्रियों ने शपथ ली। इस दौरान 15 कैबिनेट मंत्री और 28 राज्य मंत्रियों ने शपथ ली। और आज मैं आपको 28 के 28 मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट की पूरी लिस्ट की जानकारी दूंगी। शुरू करते हैं पंकज चौधरी, जिन्हें मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट इन द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस की जिम्मेदारी मिली। अनुप्रिया सिंह पटेल, मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट इन द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री। प्रोफेसर SP सिंह बघेल, मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट इन द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ एंड जस्टिस। राजीव चंद्रशेखर, मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट इन द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Shobha Karanthlaje, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Darshana Vikram Jardosh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textiles and Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways. Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. Annapurna Devi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. A. Narayana Swamy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Kaushal Kishore, Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Ajay Bhatt, Minister of State in the Ministry of Defence and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. B.L. Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region and Minister of State in the Ministry of Cooperation. Ajay Kumar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Chauhan Devu Sinha, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communications. Bhagwant Khuba, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Kapil Moreshwar Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Pratima Bhaumik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Dr. Subhas Sarkar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karad, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and the Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Dr. Bharati Praveen Pawar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Bisheshwar Tudu, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Shantanu Thakur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Dr. Manjapara Mahindra Bhai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development and Minister of State in the Ministry of Ayush. John Barla, Minister of State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Dr. L. Murugan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Nishit Pramanik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. तो ये थी पूरी लिस्ट मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट की। आई होप आपको सारी जानकारी मिल गई होगी। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और जुड़े रहें द ऑटरिंग के साथ। धन्यवाद।